Okay, so here I am with tomorrow's math lesson. It's going to be a breeze compared to what the math lessons have been. Previously, we talked about the commutative property of addition, which just means that it doesn't matter the order that you add the numbers in. And so this lesson is really going to prove that and hammer that home. Since we have 3 addends, we're going to circle the 2 addends that we add first, add the additional addend, and then try it a different way on the other side. So let's start with 2 plus 3 plus 2. I love doubles facts, so I'm going to add 2 plus 2 first, okay? So I know that's 4. Now I have to say, okay, well, I'm not finished because I have 4 plus 3 is 7. So now I'm going to prove the commutative property of addition by coming over here, and I'm going to add 2 different numbers together first. 2 plus 3 is 5, and so 5 plus 2 is 7. So even though I started with different numbers, I got the same answer. And tomorrow, kiddos, you're gonna need to circle the numbers because I totally cannot see in your head. I cannot see which numbers you've added together first, so I need you to circle them for me. That way, if there are any mistakes made, I know how to help you. Well, let's look at the next one. I don't have a doubles fact, but let's go ahead and start with 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, well, I know that 5 plus 7 is 12. So according to the commutative property of addition, I need to be able to come over here, add 2 different numbers together, and still get the same answer. So this time I'll start with 7 plus 3 because that makes a 10, and I love numbers that make a 10. Okay, I'm not finished. I still have to add in 10 plus 2 is 12. So I did get the same answer. All right, let's try one more together. Whoops. Whoa, what is that doing? Interesting. Go away, go away, go away. Oh, hey. Well, I guess that was, in fact, the last problem. A happy addition. I miss you guys. I'll see you Monday. Aw, Monday.